Maayong adlaw mga mamag sir, aniya na po ang atong episode og journey sa atong homeschooling. So kay winter season, so slow day kaayo ta. So mas kargado og handay-handay si mother. Pero ang akong mga anak, makastart na sila og ilaha lang. Kay naa naman na sila libro, kabalo na po na sila magkubi-kubi sa laptop. O ang akong bunso di gyud malikayan nga katulgo na siya. Labi na ang iyahang lesson.
No sleeping today,
sa
ha?
tablet or something like that
in
na maminaw lang siya.
okay?
Mauna siya madugay magduka si batuting pero okay lang kay
It's okay. But
so
just try his
far
best
very
not
good
to
naman ang mga
But
batuting
yes, you did great
namin.
in your math, okay?
Pating school na mag-school good
We're
sila
about to eat lunch
as
too.
long as they will learn.
Okay?
No pressure sa mga batuting para ganahan sa ilahang eskwela.
You did.
So maayong
And
adlaw
now,
mga
read
mamag
now
sir.
the
Hope you guys
solving
have a
problem.
wonderful
I'll finish already
day.
this one.
And then
Because today is our math day. And later, mag-reading tanak, ha? My love, Matias?
okay.
Okay?
Mom, think.
Good job, Matias. So look at your brother. He's sleeping again. Well, Matias reading. Look at Ezekiel is sleeping again. Nag-number po pa.
has been knocked out.
Now, Matias Lula Roseo, nag-reading.
Ezekiel, you haven't dreamed.
Knock-out na po ni. Every time. Pwede sila iPad lagi mag-school, mag-sleeping na. Sige, continue na.
It's very boring. Risk
Risk.
my life
Life. Good.
and get
Uh-huh.
rid
Mm-hmm.
of the spider.
Mm-hmm.
I can.
No, you do I can I?
I can.
Not I can. First is can. Don't
Can
flip it.
I?
Uh-huh.
Can I?
Uh-huh.
Watch
Watch. What he wanna watch?
mutant
Mutant.
Max,
Max. Good job.
said Henry.
Sid Henry. Good job.
What is that?
It's the spider. He found it. Sige, gusto na.
Yes, said Rebecca.
Good job.
And
Mm-hmm.
what's next? Wow.
Rebecca is very
That
scared.
is said
Stay.
stay up
Mm-hmm.
till
Mm-hmm.
my parents
Parents.
come
Mm-hmm.
home.
Good. Nag-ubo
Yes,
pa.
said Rebecca.
Tuk na.
Sleeping.
He's choking with his saliva na. Nag-sleep na. Oh.
Sleep.
This is what happens guys when we have he have an online at school. Ginamat ito. Hoy! Ano, nagkuha na nga itong kan. School na sa school.
I don't know.
Huh?
I think nickel.
Nickel for N sound? Yeah? Okay. Good choose. Good job. Nickel for N sound. Good job, Ezekiel.
Are we doing it wrong?
Almost wrong. Matias? Sige na. Hmm? Nag-school na ba? Kiwi, almost fall down. Look at Kiwi, oh. Good job, listening.
I see that you check the view.
Is nose is N sound?
Ding ding.
Yes? Okay.
Listen to the word parts.
School na sila eh.
Est. Blend the word
Est. What's that? Which picture is est? Chest or nest?
You need to be
Okay.
a little pokey.
What pokey? What pokey?
What you?
Good job.
It's just the
What pokey?
est. Blend it together.
Pokey pokey?
Nest.
Pokey pokey? I'm gonna poke you? Poke? Okay. Poke poke. Muna yung ani Matias. Almost lamidaan ani. Oh.
Word parts.
Horrid Henry. So muna yung series. Series ni Horrid Henry.
Mom, that's
Muna iyang humanunan.
almost done, Mom.
Which one? Horrid Henry? The book? Yep. So muna iyang book dari ilahang kuan. Nahang school. School bukol. Okay, match the same word. You know that. Mommy just lead to some monitor guys na ilang observan guys. Oh. Okay. Ano siya guys? Tapos mo na yung scope. Microscope. Silkworm larva. So, daghan ni siya guys na obserbahan. Napod siya inani. Ano ni siya? Pine cone. Female. So, after that, Matias, here na punta. Horrid Henry, other book.
Almost done.
Sumulang ni siya guys among additional na activity book sa mga bata. Ang napalit sa kuan sa lecture. Ano niya siya? Focus practice for reading comprehension. Libro-libro. Nagpalit ko anong cute niya. Naaman may timer pero timer sa kanang kuan ba sa pambaking. So napalit ko aning cute nga apple timer. Timer para sa ilahang pag-school. Yan, magbutang kag timer tapos kuan niya. Para sunod sila sa imong kuan oras na magkuan sila mag school time. So yan, lots of kuan. Spelling. Kuan eraser nga popsicle. Balik pa po ko ng kuan pens. So maulang na ang atong gipamalit guys. Dagdagan na sila, naman na sila yung computer school, temporary learning at the same time. Nagkuan pag may sa ilahang napod sila workbook. Yan. Sila. Dagano na sila books, activity books. Tapos, yan lang siya guys. Dito siya na palitanan o mga school supply. So, lecture learning. Lecture learning man eh, store. Lecture learning store. Yan na. Ang color ang among Matias. Finish na niya color. Manglang daw mas kang sabaan na. Hi! Hello, you three! Hello, hello! Hadlok sila, hadlok. Kat-kat ito si Kiwi. Hello, Kiwi! Hello, Tails and Pikachu! Sila, butangan ako ang bowl. Cabbage para sa ilang bat. Bato silang bat. Sila. Back to our artist. Almost done na ka.
Yeah, I'm making a
Coloring that.
black
We make it very colorful. Gamit ang akong mga pen. Ganahan siya gamit sa akong pen na regalo ni Daddy.
leaf.
Kita nga daw niya
Red.
Red ang iyang kuan. Ang isang
There.
isa ka kuan. Wow, good job my love.
The different
Beautiful bird and a colorful
flower.
flowers.
Maybe
Where's
it's
the flowers? Fruits man na. It's like a blueberries,
But it red.
blackberries. Now it's a red berries. It's a raspberries. Yung Matias?
That
Ano
is
yung kalimutan?
raspberry.
Huh?
Those are raspberries.
This one is gonna be the blackberries. This one is like a raspberries, like kind of red. So muna yung buhat. Basta morning. Pagkuan na si Matis makolor-color. Ni siya. Nakita na mo sa thrift store.
What?
Thrift store.
Oh, done.
Well done? Wow. What you gonna color next? Go look.
Oh, very neat.
Silly
Not-
you. Oh, there's one. One more. He makes it very colorful. Even the
Bird.
tree.
That's not a tree.
This
Look.
one, the branch. You make it colorful. Colorful kayo.
Look how. Toot, toot, toot.
Yep.
Allergic reactions can occur. Get help right away if you have trouble breathing or wheezing or
Solve
swelling
the
of your face,
problem.
mouth, tongue, or
No more
throat.
sleeping na ni
Talk to a
Ezekiel.
doctor or worsening joint aches,
Yeah.
hair, infection, or asthma. Don't change your stuff, sterile
So,
pads,
muna,
or
ang daang
treatments without talking to your
computer
doctor.
nako ka
Talk to your
Ezekiel.
EOE specialist.
Daw nyo computer si Matias pod. Oh, piyawan ninyo dong oy. Manilingan pa jud oh. Hello, manilingan pa. 11. So Ezekiel is in the quiz.
JT has 3 buckets with 40 or 10 rods in each group.
You trying to go back to
So what's daw his answer daw?
30?
To find the total, we
Is that the one your answer? Yeah, you just click what's your answer.
40, 80,
Okay.
120.
Balo na sila magkubi-kubi. So
120.
Matias is multiplication.
3 times 40 is 100.
Uy! Not 45. That one you answered, that's correct. But that number is 50. Good job. Oy, 48. Look, there's 48 already. So 48, 49. What's next? 50. Good job. Go next. Go next.
I noticed that the press never comes. Let's see if Mr. McCracken knows what's happening here.
I'll explain why there's
Sila, isa-isa na sila eskwela. Time for learning. Homeschool online. Oh, good job. Yep, that's 90 next. Physics and quiz. 29? No, there's 29 already. So what's next, you think? Not 23, that's correct. That's the one? That's 30. And that's correct. 27, 28, 29, 30.
I can't see. I didn't see the dead in there.
Okay.
How many cupcakes are on this plate?
How many cupcakes in there? Can you count?
11.
11. Good job. So where is the number 11?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Uh-oh.
Good job. You accidentally clicked the other one? Which one is next?
It will be set.
83. Yeah, good job. Let's see. Oh! Ay, gara. Very easy na. Kaysa isa-isa na sila og laptop. Nga tong kukodong. Magkata sa imong nails later dong ha. Tagas na tagkukodong.
Start counting with the number that comes after 83.
What you got, Matias? Oh, there are the missing numbers. They see you. Multiplication na si Matias. 2-digit multiplication number.
30 is 90. 4 times 20
100.
Do you see the numbers,
It's
Ezekiel?
100.
Hmm, check it out.
You got the joker.
2 times 30 is 90.
It's a joker. Oh, it's the joker.
Drag down to the wagon. So the boys wants to make a story video.
Once upon a time,
Huh?
in the new day, there was a no, not there was a kid named Dia who liked to lots of rabbit and tickle.
Oi!
And there were Bitey and Dope Bite and all the chubbies here, and then Venom to like a whale. And then the pigman just showed up to fight Venom, but she was too drunk it. And then Venom punched the pigman.
Oh,
But there was another battle who can chat and eat chubbies here.
Oi.
And
and that's a very nice story, Ezekiel.
boyfriend boy.
Good job. You have another story, guys.
And a baby.
There's a baby spider?
Yeah.
Oh.
And built by the Mel one that even hug and then there was
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.
What it was the one no.
It's a rhino.
Yeah.
Then what happened next?
There was and then Whitey was a cat.
Wanna be in trap?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then the Whitey come.
Then the girl spider is coming to rescue?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then there was a George Bada, Yogi and Venom
Oi.
and
Loki,
the Jet-
Venom, and
the Jet to the Dark and Doko.
Darkoff too? Huh?
And there was Get to the Venom and Loki Venom
Sip
and
on.
Doko Venom.
Oh, then what happened?
There was Doko Venom.
Darkoff, Venom.
Doko Venom.
Darkoff,
And
Venom.
then there was Get to
Hindi
the
pa siya makakoneksyon
Venom.
ay. Makakoneksyon
And
ka.
then there was
Oh, that one.
Lo, cannibal. So it's up na. So what is it?
There was a Bitey, flower Bitey who's a bad guy, and there was white Bitey, even a Bitey, a black Bitey who's a bad guy.
Oh, wow.
There were two Bitey gonna fight, like red Bitey versus black Bitey.
Okay.
And
The end. Well, that's a great story, Ezekiel. Good job. Are you gonna be mommy's storyteller?
So,
What? 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 Ay. Mommy sa destruction of the school. Oh. Yeah, go na quiz. Hi. Hi. Serious ka akong sandali isa. Quiz na pa, quiz. Quiz. What?
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.